Hi all, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gitlab to Appsurify. So to start with, you need to do something to your Gitlab account or to your Gitlab repository. You need to add an SSH key to it. So Gitlab has a document on this. If you search Gitlab SSH, it's the first result in Google, and it will go through how to add a SSH key to your Gitlab repository. Follow those steps because it's got different steps depending on your environment, and then generate the keys, and we'll go from there. So what you do is you click on here, go add project, and we'll call this Gitlab. I can type. Then, because we're connecting through SSH, scroll down to here. So for your Gitlab repository that you want to connect to, there will be an SSH connection or an SSH URL. Grab that from clipboard, and grab that into your clipboard, paste it here, and then find your private key from the key pair and drop it here. So this is mine. And then once you've done that, click bind. So it'll take a little bit of time while it's initially processing, and now it's verified that it's working. So here you can add some test suites, but we'll skip that for this demonstration. Just go next step. We can set these up later anyway. Here's where you can add some membership control, but it's likely that you don't have any members if this is your first repository, so once again we'll skip this. And then this will often take a little bit of time to load as it processes your repository to work out the file system. So again, you can skip this and just press finish, and we can come back to it later. So to finish the setup, we need to install a webhook on Gitlab. Let's find the Gitlab project. So to do this, we go to the integration tab. And then once we're on here, you want to, so on the integration tab for the project, so let me go back and just show you that. So click on the, configuration icon, go to the integration tab, and then grab the hook URL. So this is essentially where we want your webhook to be installed. So the webhook will let us know when there are new commits so that we can go fetch them and process them. So we need to go to settings. Integrations, and then we want to set this for push events and push in our URL, and click add webhook, and that should be everything that you need to do. We can test to see if this works. Yep. And everything worked fine. So that should be everything that's required to connect your Gitlab to Appsurify. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email us at support@appsurify.com. Thanks.